Today we are creating this colorful and happy painting. It's easy to do, even if you are not an artist. We are going to have a relaxing time and obtain many health benefits while doing it. In the end, we will get this gorgeous piece of art and feel a great sense of satisfaction and accomplishment. For this project, we can use art paper or black canvas. Also, to keep our design symmetrical, we need to have some guidelines. If you want to see how to make them easy and quick, please watch this video. We will need these 7 basic colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Optional, if you have any sparkling and shiny variations of these colors, bring them out. We will use them on top to bring some texture and shine to our dots. In addition, we will need some black and white paints. We will use some dotting tools ranging from 15 to 1 millimeter in diameter. We will need some small containers with the lids and some small brushes. We start with the tanzanite using the largest tool, number 15. Now we are using tool number 3 in color of sapphire, putting dots around. Here you can see that I didn't like these white dots, and it's very easy to fix. Using the brush, remove the unwanted paint as best as you can. Then paint it over with black. Let it dry and it's ready to go. Pearl white, tool number 3, dots around. Tool number 4, tanzanite, dots around. Tool number 5, tanzanite. Tanzanite, tool number 3, dots around. Now we move to sapphire, tool number 2. Sapphire, tool number 6, dots around. Every time our painting looks flat, add some more paint on top using the same color but a smaller sized tool. Sapphire, tool number 3, 1 dot on top. Sapphire, tool number 2, 2 dots, left and right. Sapphire, tool number 1, taper. Sapphire, tool number 4, 1 dot. Blue pastel, tool number 1.5, 1 dot on top. Blue pastel, tool number 8, 1 dot. Silver illusion, tool number 3. Add some paint on top over pearl white to enhance the shine. Blue pastel, tool number 3, 1 dot on top. Blue pastel, tool number 3, taper. Emerald, tool number 3, 1 dot on top. Emerald, tool number 8, 1 dot. Turquoise, tool number 3, 1 dot. Turquoise, tool number 3, taper. Emerald, tool number 4, 1 dot. Emerald, tool number 3, taper. Emerald, tool number 3, 1 dot. Bright orange, tool number 10, 1 dot. Pearl white, tool number 4, 1 dot. Pearl white, tool number 3, taper. Bright orange, tool number 5, 1 dot. bright orange, tool number 4, 2 dots. Bright orange, tool number 3, 2 dots. Bright orange, tool number 3, taper. Bright yellow, tool number 10, 1 dot. Festive red, tool number 6, 1 dot. Festive red, tool number 5, 2 dots. Festive red, tool number 4, 2 dots. Festive red, tool number 3, taper. To have our dots stand out, we use our optional bright and shiny paints to touch up. Pearl white, tool number 1, 2 dots. It's my favorite moment to make our painting come alive. We will do a little touch up. It brings up the color and adds more texture, definition, and vibrancy. We will use magenta, tool number 10, to touch up the center dot. Christmas green, tool number 5, and Christmas green, tool number 3. Now let's do some touch-ups with silver illusion. Moving on to bright yellow, tool number 3. Touch up over the silver dot. 4 dots around, tool number 3, bright yellow. In a corner of the canvas, add magenta, tool number 10, 1 dot. Magenta tool number 5, 2 dots in each corner. Finish up with magenta tool number 3, taper. Divine purple, 1 dot in its center, tool number 5. Festive red, tool number 4, 1 dot. Festive red, tool number 3, 1 dot. Tanzanite, tool number 3, taper. Tanzanite, tool number 1, small dots in between. Now, our colorful and happy painting is accomplished. I hope you enjoyed creating this gorgeous art with me and are encouraged to create your own. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.